A programming language has always if-else operators. But in CSS, there is no such thing as if-else. So there is not that logical operations here unless there is SASS. Using the SASS, maybe CSS is also a programming language like JavaScript, because there you can use the if-else operators. You can use Mixin. Mixin is kind of like function. If it is a JavaScript code, we have to write it, replace the Mixin with function. So now we can declare the Mixin, the function, and we can use some logical operations here. We can call it afterwards and use the values returned by the function or Mixin, whatever. Now, what is our task here? We have to create a Mixin, the function or Mixin that is called border stroke, that will take a parameter of val, and it should check for the following conditions. So if it is a light, the property will be this. You can see it here, right? The rest you can see here. And if the value is not any of them, then the border property should be none. So let's implement it right here. All right, so we have to do it where we right. So we have this border stroke Mixin is already called here. To call it, we have to include the include keyword, and we can see the rest. The parameter is also passed. We just have to write the function or the Mixin. Let's do this. Mixin border stroke, and there is a function. There is a parameter called val, and here we can use the if-else. If val is it equal or equal. There's no such thing here like equal like JavaScript. We just have to do the equal, right? So if it is and we don't have to do some like string. It's all string. We don't have to do the extra work. So if it is light, then border what is this? Border stroke. Then border will be 1 pixel solid black. And then else if val equal medium, it will be border 1 pixel solid black. So it will be 3 pixel. We can see it here. And else if val equal heavy, it will be border 6 pixel solid black. Finally, else border none. Here it's medium, so the border is 3 pixel. If we don't do anything, or if we do something else, it will be borderless. And if we do it like light, it will be 1 pixel. If we do it like heavy, it will be 6 pixel. So let's have it the original value. Now let's check some conditions here. We don't have any fancy conditions. Let's submit it. Done. Oh no, what's this? Your Mixin should have an if statement to check if the value is light, and to set the border to value 1 pixel solid black. The value equal to light, and set the border to 1 pixel solid black. Did I not do it? One pixel solid black. Is it not that? Well, this is pathetic because there is no first bracket sort of thing in SAS. It's a different kind of programming language, and there are some differences in syntax. So there is no such first bracket. It's kind of like Python, I guess. I don't know. um, so we don't have to include the the braces. Now it's all set. Sorry for being early in excitement. Let's submit it and it's done. Let's move on to the next.